Donating clothes on Goodwill. In this video, you are going to learn how to donate clothes at Goodwill. So let's get started. The process is simple. Gather clothes. Collect the clothes you wish to donate. Make sure they are clean, gently used, and in good condition. Goodwill accepts a wide range of clothing items for all ages and genders. Now visit the Goodwill website or contact your local Goodwill organization to review their donation guidelines for clothing. They may have specific requirements or restrictions on the types of clothing they accept. After that, find a donation center located nearby Goodwill Donation Center or store. You can use the Goodwill Locator tool on their website to find the nearest location to you. Then drop off your donation by bringing your clothes to the Goodwill Donation Center during their operating hours. Staff or volunteers will assist you with the unloading your donations. You may be asked to fill out a donation receipt for tax purposes. Get a receipt. If you plan to claim a tax deduction for your donation, be sure to ask for a receipt. Goodwill will typically provide donation receipt that lists the items you donated. Keep this receipt for your records. Then consider donation drives and events. Goodwill often hosts donation drives and events in local communities. Keep an eye for these events in your area as they may offer additional opportunities to donate clothes. You can also consider pickup services if they are available in your region. Check with your local Goodwill organization to see if the service is available in your area or schedule a pickup if needed. Then thank you for donating. Your donation helps support Goodwill's mission of providing job training and employment opportunities to individuals facing barriers to employment. Thank you for your generosity. That's all. That's how you will be able to donate clothes at Goodwill.